Hey everyone, it's Super Mario CVR here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a hexagon in Rec Room. Let's go. Okay, so let's make these shapes. What you're going to do is you're going to take out your maker pen, you're going to choose Tools, and turn on Create. You're going to go to your palette, turn on Tube, go back to your tools, find the Create Tool Settings menu. You're going to make sure Uniform Shapes is on. Next, you're going to go to Create Tube Settings, and make sure the tube faces is set to 6. And finally, make sure Smooth Tubes is off, because if it's on, the hexagon will have these edges, and it just doesn't make it look very good. If you have Smooth Tubes off, though, it has these clean edges, makes the hexagon look way better. So, once you have all this set up, what you're going to want to do is try to spawn it in as straight as you possibly can. Now, I got it really well, but if you mess up, what you're going to want to do is go to your Tools menu, click Edit, and edit the tube. When you edit the tube, you should see these blue dots. What you're going to want to do is, let's just say it's messed up like this. You're going to want to choose Move, and move this dot on top of the dot below, and make sure it's moved in the correct angle in all directions. Once the hexagon is good, you can scale it to change how big it is. If it's too small, scale it up. If it's too big, scale it down. Now, if you notice that the hexagon is too tall, what you can do is you can edit the tube again and move the height of these blue dots to change the thickness of your hexagon. Just make sure you're out of the editing tube if you want to scale it up. Hey guys, thanks for watching my little tutorial. If it helped you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!